तो जो तुम हो तो ये लगता है कि मिल गई हर खुशी, जो तुम ना हो ये लगता है कि हर खुशी में है कभी तुम जो है।
Of course it is, yeah. I mean, I think it's in fact a lot more healthy for you to have fun in the sun than it is fun at night. You know, because fun at night also brings certain other connotations with it sometimes when you go out and stay out too late. But nobody ever complains, no? If you stay out all day, like, where were you? You were out till really late this evening. Nobody says anything. Fun in the sun is a great concept.
I have just come here to enjoy the concert, to enjoy Farhan Akhtar singing after 2.5 years, which is a very long time. He's returning back after Rock On. He's one of my personal favorites. I've had a slight bit of crush on him since Rock On. And also because we're celebrating this event, a very delightful event, which is called Pons Fun in the Sun.
यही कहूँगा कि after 2.5 years मुझे एक मौका मिल रहा है स्टेज पे परफॉर्म करने का, और जो भी ये मौका है वो सिर्फ Pons Fun in the Sun कॉन्टेस्ट की वजह से है. So I'm really happy to be here.
For the summertime, the beauty tips that I would give is please stick to cottons because they're very light on your body, on your skin. They don't stick to your skin. They're very airy. You need your skin to breathe, and cotton is one such cloth that allows your skin to breathe. At the same time, as everybody says, as age-old convention is that please keep on having a lot of water. पानी बहुत ही ज़रूरी है because जितना हम sweat करते हैं, especially in a place like Bombay, which is so humid. All the water comes out in the form of sweating, so please keep replenishing that by having a lot of water. I personally have about 10 to 12 glasses of water every day.
जो भी स्टेज पर हो रहा है वो इसी वजह से हो रहा है क्योंकि फिल्मों में जो गाने मैंने गाए हैं, those songs did well, and it's always amazing to interact with a live crowd, you know, and to be on stage and feel the energy from the crowd, which you can't feel in a film because you're just reacting to a camera. So it is nice. It's a different kind of experience, but I do enjoy it very much. No, not at all. I'm not singing in Don 2. I'm singing a song in Zindagi Na Milegi Dobara. I'm singing a song along with Ritik and Abhay. All three of us have sung. So it's quite an exciting song, and I'm quite certain that people are going to take to it quite well.
Having fun under the sun with Farhan, what I'm going to do is I'm just going to probably sing along a little because it's all about letting loose. Even if you're feeling a little hot, you're sweating a little, it doesn't matter. Just have fun, be uninhibited. And when Farhan is singing, I'm definitely going to be enjoying a lot, so I'll be singing along with him. I would love to go on stage and clap for him and hoot for him and jive a little because Farhan Akhtar, my God, he's coming on stage after so long, and it'll be a delight, it'll be a pleasure to be up on stage while he's performing.
नहीं, there is बहुत एक healthy buzz है उस film के around. There's a very positive buzz around the film. और काफ़ी हमारे tie-ups हैं brands के साथ जो अब आप देखेंगे जो हो रहा है, तो काफ़ी बड़ी एक marketing strategy बनी है उस film के लिए. And now with the release of the music, 29th is when the promos start on TV, and the first song promo comes on TV. And there's quite a mammoth campaign that's been planned, you know, and hopefully we're going to try and reach out to as many people as we can and make them aware that this film is releasing on that particular date.